everyone, I'm Jackie, and welcome back to another episode of Lowe's How to Anything. Today, we have another exciting outdoor project. I'm going to be making a pea gravel patio so I can create a cozy nook in this backyard. I'm gonna take you step by step from start to finish and show you the entire process. Let's get into it. So this is where we're going to be setting up our pea gravel patio today. When you're picking out your area, you want to consider things like the sun and the shade. What I love about this area, it gets plenty of sun and shade. I also really love that it already has this edging right here so you know where your patio ends and where the grass begins. As you can see, I already cleared out the mulch that was in this space before. That's a good rule of thumb when you're picking out your space. You wanna make sure that you clear out any debris or any leaves. There's still a little bit left, so I'm just gonna go in with this rake, finish clearing out this space, and then we'll move on to our next step. So I cleared out my space. Now the next thing to do is just to plan out the layout and design, my favorite part. Now when you're thinking about your patio, you can make it any shape that you want, but I'm just going to stay in this area right here. This is going to be the back of my patio, this will be the front, and this will be the sides right here. So the next thing I'm gonna do is go in with my landscaping marking paint to mark the perimeter. That way I can visualize what my patio will look like. Then I'm gonna measure it so I know how much materials we'll need. So the next thing we're gonna do is dig 4 inches into the ground. That way we have space for our base materials and gravel. But before you do that, you wanna call 811 to make sure that there aren't any utility lines in the ground. We've already done that, so now we can start digging. Okay, let's just get this last bit right here. Okay, the area looks really great. Now we're gonna go in with our tamper to tamp out the ground to make sure that everything is leveled out. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna do is go in with our borders. This is really gonna help keep the gravel in. As you can see, we already have a back border and a front one, so we're just gonna go ahead and make 2 borders for the side. So this is the border that we're gonna be using today. I picked it up from Lowe's. What I love about this one is that it's super flexible, so no matter what shape your patio is, you'll be able to use it, and it's super easy. So what I'm gonna do is go in with my first nail right here to secure it down. I'm gonna unroll it, give it a cut when it's the exact size that I need, and then I'll go in with my rest of the nails to secure it down. So we're gonna go in with our first nail right here, hammer it down. Great, we got that first one secured, so let's unfold this. Okay, that looks good, so we're gonna go ahead and cut it right here. All right, so both of our borders are secure. And now the next thing that we're gonna do is cover our area with some landscaping fabric. So let's do that. And just like that, our landscaping fabric is down. So now the next thing to do is go in with paver base. It's really gonna help keep this area level, and it's also gonna help with drainage. And once our paver base is all spread out, we're gonna go back in with our tamper and compact it all out. So let's get started. All right, at this point of the project, you could go ahead and put your pea gravel in, but I wanna take it one step further to add a little bit of design in this space. So I got these 1x1 pavers that I'm going to create a pathway for this patio. I'm going to go ahead and put them in pairs. In order to do that, I'm gonna measure out this space so that they're aligned. And at the very end, I'm gonna go in with this mallet to set it into the sand. Here's a quick tip. You're gonna wanna use a level to make sure that your pavers are not only leveled by themselves, but also level together. If your paver's too high, you can go in with a rubber mallet to bring it down a little bit. If it's too low, you could always add paver sand to bring it up a bit. All right, the time has finally arrived for us to lay down our pea gravel. So I'm gonna open up all of these bags and spread it out. Our pea gravel looks incredible, and like many of our other outdoor projects, now we're going to spray it down. While we let our pea gravel dry over there, I'm going to pour this mulch and rock adhesive into the spray bottle. Then I'm gonna take the spray bottle back over to my patio and give all the rocks a spray down. This is really gonna help the rocks stay in place. That way, if you go back in later with a leaf blower, the rocks won't fly everywhere and everything will be nice and compact. So let's do that. You guys, I am in love with this pea gravel patio. It looks so great, and it really has created the perfect cozy nook in this backyard. For everything that you need for your own pea gravel patio, you can find it at your local Lowe's or at Lowes.com. And while you're there, if you have any questions at all, just look out for a Lowe's Red Vest associate. They're there to help you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe, and leave us a comment below letting us know what you want to see on the next Lowe's How to Anything video.